So over here you can see that I have an example note, and let's see how we can work around with the basic formatting options for this. So once you open up a note, you can go around onto the three dot button right here, and once you go around over here you can click on open in new window as well to isolate that particular note in a separate window, as you can see just like this. So we're just going to go around and do that right here. So now this is done, you can go around and let's say select out any portion that you want to format, and on the top you can see that you can go around and select out different fonts for it. So let's say you want a handwritten font for this, so you can just select this around over here. You can go around, select out a particular font size for this as well. So once you go around, you can see that the font size for this particular text increases right here. Similarly, you can go around, select out, let's say, different text right here, and you can bold it out and italicize it out, underline it out right here, and you can even go around and highlight this in different colors, as you can see just like this. You can go around and highlight it right here, and then what happens is that the text will be highlighted just like that. You can go around over here, select out different highlights, and this is what you have as well. So now if I were to go around over here and select out a certain text, you can also go around and then let's say select a particular color for this. So let's say I can turn it red over here or something else, or just choose auto right here for automatic color applying. So let me just select green, and green is applied right here. You can go around and bold it over here at the same time as well and apply, let's say, a background color that is a highlight right here. So this is what you can do. So besides that, you can also go around, select out a particular text, and then change this to a large heading right here just like this, and all of the paragraph right here gets changed into a large heading. Let me press enter, and over here I'm going to go around, turn it into a normal text by clicking it right here, and you can see that it turns it into a normal text as well. And that is how you can apply out basic formattings inside of the text in notebooks of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.